Hey Divas, Scallion here and welcome back to Chef It Up Fridays. Yes, I said it guys, welcome back to Chef It Up Fridays. On the menu, I'll be making some authentic Jamaican curry chicken. Yes, I said it, I'll be making some authentic Jamaican curry chicken. So first, you will always want to go ahead and dismember your chicken. So I'm going and cutting up my chicken. After cutting it, I'm going to clean, wash and season. Before I cook any type of meat, I like to let them sit and marinate either overnight or for a couple of hours. But for you, if you feel like cooking some chicken with me right now, you don't have to let it marinate because so now after I let it sit and marinate, I already added the season and everything. So all that's left is for me to put it in the pot. Now this is me washing the chicken, and I like to use some vinegar in my water to ensure I get rid of all that rawness. And when you're washing your chicken, please go ahead and rub it to get all that slimy stuff off. I love to wash my chicken a few times, and if I have some lime juice, I'm gonna go ahead and use it too. So in this clip, you'll see me using some lemon juice also. Now that all the prepping is done, I love to burn my curry before adding my chicken. So this is me. I just add some oil to the pot, some curry powder, along with some garlic. If you have ginger, you can go ahead and add it. So I'm just going to go ahead burn it before adding the chicken. In Jamaica, they said this will prevent the curry from running your belly, and I stick with that unto this day. So this is me adding the chicken to the pot. I'm going to let them brown on all sides before I cover the pot. Now that I've browned the chicken or fried them on all sides, I'm going to go ahead and cover the pot. I love using this pot because it makes its own water. So when you cover the pot, it's going to steam up and the droplets are going to form water in the pot. Look at it. I didn't add any water and there's water in the pot. So I'm just going to go ahead, stir occasionally until the chicken is almost done before adding my onion, scallion, thyme, some more garlic, and I'm gonna leave the bell peppers for last because I don't like my bell peppers cooking out too much. I'm gonna also add some potatoes, carrots. And look at it, guys. I just added like a little bit of water when I was putting in my onions and stuff, and look, there's a lot of water in the pot. So all I'm just gonna do is stir, stir, stir to ensure that it's not sticking to the bottom of the pot before adding my bell peppers. And I don't know who told you guys that you could add tomatoes and ketchup to curry, but trust me, that's a no-no. No ketchup, no tomatoes. This is me on my final lap, guys. I'm checking the potatoes and carrots to ensure that they're cooked before turning off the stove. Then I'm gonna go ahead and plate it out. Now you can eat it with whichever side suits you. I serve mine with some lettuce and white rice. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Look at that gravy, it's so thick. Bye.